Hi guys, welcome to my first episode of Dil Ki Baat. In these episodes, I will not gonna promote any product. I will not talk about any collaborations or anything. If you guys have been following me, you guys might have realized that I have been talking a lot about PCOS, PCOD and thyroid recently. Now, it's not something कि मुझे अभी PCOS या thyroid या PCOD हुआ है. I have been struggling with this throughout my life. So, for the first time, I got diagnosed when I was in class 9th. So, I told my warden that I am not getting my periods. She immediately called my father, and my father sent my brother, and that was the first time I have been to the gynecologist. And let me fill you in. मेरा पहला टाइम था जब मैं gynecologist के पास गई and guess the questions. I mean, that gyno decided to ask about my sex life. I mean, I do understand कि आजकल के बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो रहे हैं, but when I was in class 9th, I had nobody in my life. मतलब हमें boyfriends बनाना भी allowed नहीं था. So, she asked me if I am sexually active or not. And of course, I was not. So I said no. Then she did some sort of ultrasound and told my brother that I am suffering with PCOS. And I did not took it very seriously, to be honest. I took the medicines, whatever she suggested, and फिर मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में वापस busy हो गई. So, if you guys know somebody who is suffering with PCOS or have someone in your family who guys should know, PCOS या PCOD में ना आपको हार्मोनल टैबलेट्स दी जाती हैं जो 30 days खानी होती हैं. And to fill you in, it's so freaking expensive. So I took the dose for 3 months, I guess, and everything was normal. Then this thing happened again when I was in class 10th. And since then, I have been visiting to gynecologist for life. अगर अभी आप कम एज में हो ना, take this shit seriously because this shit will really fuck your life. Trust me, I'm being very honest, guys. So please take this thing very seriously and हार्मोनल टैबलेट्स लो, अपने हार्मोन्स फिक्स करो. कम एज में हो तो चीज़ें बेटर हो सकती हैं. बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू द वर्स्ट, यू विल bleed for straight 4 to 5 months without even a gap. And the bleeding will be insane. Let me help you with that as well. And to add on, the cramps will be so shitty. You will lose your hair. You will get hair to all those places where you don't need hair. I mean, so this is frustrating, guys. अगर मुझे किसी ने इतना ओपनली एजुकेट किया होता, शायद मैंने इसे सीरियसली लिया होता. बट सिंस मुझे किसी ने इतना एजुकेट नहीं किया, आई नेवर टुक इट सीरियसली. सो दिस इज़ अ रिमाइंडर फॉर यू गर्ल्स, टेक इट सीरियसली, वर्क ऑन इट, exercise, eat healthy food, add more fiber, more protein to your diet, try to eat less carbs. And I know it's not easy, it is difficult, but trust me, you will get through it. Meantime, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to learn more about PCOS and PCOD. I will be coming up with next episode of Dil Ki Baat super soon. Until then, bye.